We are about to practice sitting with sounds, thoughts, feelings, and sensations, which will last for about 25 minutes. This meditation aims to cultivate all the qualities of mindfulness by simply permitting ourselves to sit with our environment, our thoughts, our emotions, and finally our discomfort, which we choose to label as pain or simply intense sensations. It is best practiced while sitting in order to remain alert and awake. However, feel free to lie down if you need to. If you have severe pain, bring your awareness back to your breath at any time. Begin by bringing the body to an upright position and allow the spine to feel long, aligned, maintaining a natural curve. If it feels comfortable, gently closing your eyes, feeling the chair beneath you supporting you, feeling gravity hold you, the earth supporting you, perhaps rocking back and forth, side to side, just slightly to find that point of comfort, that sense of being centered without strain or effort. Allowing the body to become still and settled with gravity. Feeling the sense of the body sitting or lying down. Noticing perhaps pressure, temperature, sensations of air moving around you, or clothes against the skin. Noticing the feelings of the hands wherever they rest. Becoming aware of the face, relaxing tension, allowing the jaw to drop down in an easy way, teeth apart, lips slightly parted, and softening your face. Making a choice to allow yourself to be exactly as you are in this moment. Slowly beginning to notice the breath. Such a constant feature of life. It's easy to ignore it. Taking a few long, deep breaths from the belly. Feeling the sensations as the breath enters and leaves the body. Bringing attention to the sensations at the nostrils, the mouth, the throat. Maybe noticing the motions of the chest, expanding and contracting, or the rising and falling of the belly, inflating and deflating, with the cycle and rhythm of the waves of breath. Simply riding the waves of the breath from moment to moment. Where is your attention now? If it has wandered off, very gently bringing it back with kindness and curiosity, noticing there is a beginning, middle, and end of an in-breath, a space or pause, before it shifts and becomes an out-breath, also with a beginning, middle, and end. Allowing the breath to be the center of your attention now, washing through the body, bringing fresh oxygenated blood, sustaining every cell in your body. Allowing any thoughts or emotions to come and go like clouds in the sky, turning your focus towards the breath. Now allowing your attention to shift from breath to the sense of hearing. Not seeking sound, but receiving whatever is available from within the body and from the environment near and far. Recalling the impermanence of sound. And simply observe the sounds around you. Noticing how there is space between sounds. Noticing how the mind labels sounds, has opinions about sounds, likes and dislikes certain sounds. And as much as possible, make space to experience sounds just as they are. When you're ready, allowing your attention to shift from hearing, and let it expand this time to observing thoughts. Noticing how thoughts arise, stay briefly for an extended period, then dissolve, beginning, middle, and end. So not getting lost in the content of the thoughts, but simply allowing thought to be in the foreground of awareness. Sound and breath perhaps in the background. If you get carried away in the current of thinking, coming back to observing thoughts as separate elements that come and go, moving through an open and spacious mind. Picturing now a stream with water lazily flowing by. As you look more closely at the water, you may notice leaves, twigs, fish, different objects of all sizes, shapes, and colours flowing continuously by. Picture yourself sitting beside the stream, watching everything approaching and passing. Imagine that what you're watching are your thoughts, wishes, feelings, sensations, watching them come and go. Try not to attach or push away what comes down along the stream. Just noticing the objects and letting them go. Again, if you get carried away in the current of thinking, coming back to observing thoughts as separate elements flowing continuously by that come and go, moving through an open and spacious mind. Noticing also that feelings or emotions or mood states may arise in the body and mind. Perhaps frustration or restlessness, or peacefulness, or sadness, or joy, or fear. Bringing attention to what is there for you right now. Noticing where in the body certain emotions live. Exploring feelings. Noticing how what is there may be wanted or unwanted. How there may be a tendency to cling to certain emotions, to judge others as unpleasant, and to struggle. Simply staying present with it, not trying to change it. Letting go of supporting thoughts or stories. And noticing that whatever emotions arise in the moment, they have a beginning, a middle, and an end. If at any time emotions or sensations become uncomfortable, just gently returning to the breath, a constant, safe harbour until you're ready to return. When you're ready, expanding your awareness beyond the breath, thoughts, and feelings to include the entire body, sitting and being present with any sensations as they arise. Perhaps how your hands feel in the moment, sensations of temperature, even tightness or pain. If sensations arising are very intense, making it difficult to focus on the body or breath, you may choose to explore the sensation with a gentle curiosity, noticing nuances of the sensation itself. Perhaps thoughts or stories associated with discomfort. Perhaps judgments. Perhaps resistance or bracing. And as much as possible, stepping back to simply observe, to notice an open space in awareness, perhaps to soften into the sensation, knowing that it has a beginning, middle, and end. If sensations become too difficult, returning to the breath, a constant soothing retreat to anchor you until you're ready to venture or drift out again into the waves of sensations or emotions or thoughts. Returning your attention, if it wanders, gently to the body, feeling the breath coming and going, simply staying fully present to the body and breath and allowing connection with the breath without struggle. Can the breath simply hold you? Moving now into an open awareness of whatever is present in this moment. Not choosing to bring your attention to anything in particular. Simply being fully aware of the choiceless totality of your experience. Being fully human. If sound arises, allowing sound to be the center of your attention. Bodily sensation arises, letting that be the center of attention. Until the next arising, which may be a thought or an emotion. Being spacious, open, and curious to whatever arises in the moment with open awareness. Now returning attention to the body, feeling the breath coming and going, staying fully present with the body and breath. As this formal meditation practice is coming to an end, come to a sense of the entire body, sitting there or lying there, present in sensory experience, present in thoughts and emotions, acknowledging, allowing, and accepting the power of just being, moment to moment, being with your experience as it unfolds. And when you're ready, slowly beginning to return your attention to sounds and bodily sensations. Then in your own time, gently opening your eyes and acknowledging yourself for taking time for this practice today.